Now I've come to the Chachai waterfalls. The last time I came about 1 year ago, there was no water. It was just trickling. See today, the way the flow is, I'm not allowed to go more than that. I got my driver there screaming. I'll show you the surroundings. All vegetation only. Pura vegetation. ए तू किधर गया? See when the flow of water, when it comes down, see how the thing is. It is all smoky, and then that's the water goes the other side. You can't see it. See here, bird coming all the way. I think I'm traveling for last 1 hour from QT to come here. There is some old school up there. Beautiful.